Welcome back. Now, before you get started, you will want to be aware of the pricing terms for Shopify. If you go to shopify.com and you go to the pricing link, you'll be able to see the pricing. You'll notice that as the recording of this video, there is a basic plan, a middle tier plan, and an advanced plan. You'll see here that that lowest plan does not include gift cards or professional reports, nor does it allow for advanced reports and third-party calculated shipping rates. You'll also see that when it comes to shipping, there are discounted rates when you use their system. You'll also see that there is a slightly higher transaction payment rate for the basic level. Now, one thing you'll want to be aware of is that there is something called a Shopify Lite plan. We're going to click this link. This is a very basic level that allows you to sell on Facebook as well as to support using Facebook Messenger. So this is an option if the basic level seems to be too expensive for you at this time. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.